Hi everyone, welcome to this short and sweet yin yoga practice to help with balancing our root chakra. I'm not using any props today, but if you'd like to keep some pillows or blankets nearby, please do so. And we'll get started in deer pose. So bringing the soles of the feet together and then gently assisting your left foot somewhere back behind you. You could sit up on a prop like a pillow for a little bit more comfort. The fingertips can simply support us on both sides of the body. And this is a posture that tends to look very different on different bodies. So please do take a few moments to find what works for you before allowing the eyes to close, settling into a smooth and natural breath. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. You're very welcome to continue holding as you are, or if you'd like to try a different variation, you can bring the right forearm down beside you, either to the mat or to a prop. Resting the left hand anywhere you'd like, or perhaps bringing it behind your head. And if you're choosing this option, let the head be heavy towards your right shoulder, feeling grounded and rooted to the earth through the physical body, making a space to stabilize our root chakra. You can come out of whichever variation you had chosen, bringing the soles of the feet back together to wave the knees up and down a few times. And then once you're ready, we can take our second side. So the right foot coming back somewhere behind us. Maybe things look a little bit different on this second side. Maybe they feel different. Fingertips supporting us at first. Crown of the head reaching for the sky. Root chakra grounding down into the earth. It can be helpful in postures like this one, if you find your mind is wandering, to simply contemplate whether anything is coming up for you. Any thoughts, emotions, or feelings. And once again, option to continue holding as you are or to lower that left forearm, perhaps placing your right hand behind your head. Deep breath in, slow breath out as you soften. Let's take our time lifting up out of this one. Soles of the feet back together, fluttering the knees. Any little movements that might help to shake off that deep stretch. And I'm just turning to the side here so you can see what we'll be doing next. You can, of course, stay exactly as you are. So with the hands supporting us behind the body, you might like to step them a little bit closer in towards one another, if that feels nice, to help with lifting the heart, either keeping your gaze straight ahead, or if it's okay for the neck, you can also gently tilt the head back with the nose pointing towards the sky. Once again, the eyes could close. Allow yourself to feel the support of the arms, grounding down through the mat. Feeling a sense of acceptance with wherever you are, and stability in the body and mind. And I'll offer up another option here as well. You could stay as you are. You might explore lowering down onto the forearms. They could be on a prop, a folded blanket or pillow. And again, the nose can point up, or the chin could rest towards the chest. Feel the outsides of the knees getting heavy towards the earth. Once again, reflecting on whether anything comes up here. And then pressing back up, assisting your knees in towards one another with the help of the hands. You can give them a bit of a shake. Again, any little movements that might feel nice in your body. And we're coming towards child's pose. There's different variations again that you could take. The knees could be apart or they might be closer in towards one another. And the forehead could rest to the back of the hands or to the mat with the arms alongside the body. Turning ourselves here into a little ball of security and safety and comfort. Feeling really secure with where we are. And perhaps even reflecting on one of my favorite root chakra mantras. Wherever I am at home. Wherever I am at home. Feel yourself really sink down into the earth as we stay here for 3 more smooth breaths. Let's press the palms of the hands into the mat to help us come up. Coming towards all fours, wagging your hips a little bit left and right. And then finding a comfortable seat on your mat or on a cushion, with the right leg crossed somewhere in front of the left. And once you've found a seated posture that will work for today, you could explore taking a gentle twist towards the right. So the left hand can simply rest on top of the right knee, not pulling or forcing, just noticing where the torso naturally ends up. Once again, that feeling of acceptance, finding home wherever you are. Let's release, coming back to center, planting both heels in front of you to sway the knees a little side to side. And then second side, the left leg crosses somewhere in front of the right. Sitting up nice and tall before finding your twist towards the left. And of course, deep stretches like these today are a wonderful way of stimulating our root chakra, but they're not the only way. You've perhaps noticed the color red in our video, the color of this chakra. So bringing that color into our lives can be another nice way of stimulating better balance in our root, our muladhara chakra, right at the base of the spine. Really nice. Let's come back to center once more. Again, a few sways left and right with those knees, observing how you feel, what comes up. And I hope that you feel at home wherever you are as we bring the palms of the hands together up above us, bringing them down to place in front of our root. Thanking yourself for creating a safe, comfortable, and accepting place for you to live your own life. In the description box, you will find links to other chakra practices and resources, including more yin yoga classes like this one. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Please do consider hitting that like button if you enjoyed this one, and have a wonderful day.